Shanatharu. Dear students, today we will start one more new chapter, that is coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry plays very important role. First, we have to understand what we mean by coordinate geometry. It is a branch of geometry, or generally it is a branch of mathematics which sets up or which deals with a definite correspondence between the position of a point in a plane and a pair of algebraic numbers called coordinates. Once again, it is a branch of geometry which sets up or which deals with a definite correspondence between the position of a point in a plane and a pair of algebraic numbers called coordinates. By using this branch, we can identify, if you have to put any one point, this board is any one plane, you have to put one point here, we can represent that point by using the coordinates, like one vertical coordinate, vertical and horizontal, we can find the position of the point. This is very important branch we need to study. This study was initially, was developed by the French philosopher and mathematician René Descartes. He was given the first study about coordinate geometry. Some things already learned from this chapter, but in detail we have to learn now. Now we have to draw one line. These two are perpendicular. If you have to draw perpendicular to these lines, here this is the x-y axis, this is horizontal axis, this is vertical axis. Okay, so from this is O, from 0 to right side positive x-axis, from 0 to left side negative x-axis, from 0 to upside positive y-axis, from 0 to downside negative y-axis. By using this, some points what to discuss. The horizontal line, see, x dash is called the x-axis. This x-axis is called the x-axis. Either positive or negative. From 0 to right side, positive x-axis. From 0 to left side, negative x-axis. Totally x dash is x-axis. Okay, x-axis, and the vertical line y dash is called the y-axis. Y-dash is called the y-axis. From this origin to upside positive axis, from here to the upside negative y-axis. Okay, the point where x dash and y dash cross, x dash and y dash cross are intersecting point called the origin. This is called the origin and is denoted by always O. So this is a very brief introduction about coordinate geometry. Some more points we need to discuss now. I hope this is very basic concept you need to understand. Now I'll discuss some more points about coordinate geometry. See, x dash O. I have taken some points here. In Cartesian coordinates, what do you mean by Cartesian? I will explain. In Cartesian coordinates, the position of a point P is denoted by, this is P here, this is point P, this is L. Okay? The position of a point P is denoted by knowing the distances from two perpendicular lines. Means we should know this is these two are perpendicular lines. We should know the distances between these two. Then only we can find. Okay. So in Cartesian coordinates, the position of a point P is denoted by knowing the distances from two perpendicular lines. Means this is one line, this is second line. These two are perpendicular lines. We should know these distances. Okay, from two perpendicular lines passing through the fixed point. It is nothing but this is the origin. From this point, we should know this length and this length. Fixed point called the origin, and x o x dash, see, x o x dash and y o y dash, y o y dash. The two perpendicular lines through O called Cartesian or rectangular coordinates. See, this is a Cartesian to find this point P. So let O be the fixed point called the origin, x o x dash and y o y dash. See, x o x dash and y o y dash. The two perpendicular lines through O called Cartesian or rectangular coordinate axis. This is Cartesian system, we can say, or Cartesian system coordinates or rectangular coordinate axis. Now draw OM. Here choose M. Draw PM. Draw PM and PN. PM and PN perpendiculars. These are perpendiculars. Perpendiculars on OX and OY. On OX M, on OY N. So I adjust, okay, respectively. OM and MP. See, OM is same as NP because these are opposite sides. OM or NP, these are opposite sides, is called the x coordinate. This is called the x coordinate or axis of the pointer. So the another name of x coordinate is axis. A B S C I double S A. This is same as x coordinate only. OM or NP. OM or NP is called the x coordinate or axis of the point P. Next, similarly, OM or NP is called the y coordinate or ordinate. Another name of y coordinate is just ordinate. O-R-D-I-N-A-T. Ordinate of the point P. So these are the some points. By using the same diagram, I will discuss some more points. Using the same figure, the axis and ordinate of a point taken together is known as coordinates of a point. See, the axis and ordinate means x axis and y axis. Those 2 points taken together is known as coordinates of a point. Like, see, if OM is equal to x and OM is equal to y, the coordinates of the point P are x, y. The coordinates are nothing but the axis and ordinate means x axis and y axis of a point taken together is known as coordinates of a point. Coordinates of this point. If OM is equal to x, this length is x, and OM is equal to y, the coordinates of the point P are x, y, because this is x, this is x, this is y, this is y, x, y. The coordinates are called the Cartesian coordinates. These coordinates are called Cartesian coordinates. The plane is Cartesian plane. Okay, Cartesian plane. Coordinates are Cartesian coordinates of P. Next, coordinates of the origin. What are the coordinates of the origin? Already known. Okay, it has 0 distance from both the axes. Means x-axis and the y-axis will be 0 here. Okay, so that's its axis and ordinate means x-axis and y-axis, okay, are both 0. Therefore, coordinates of origin are O of 0, 0, 0, 0. Always origin will be coordinates of origin will be 0, 0. Next, abscissa. What do you mean by abscissa exactly? Abscissa is nothing but x-axis. What is the distance? X-axis. The distance of the point P from y-axis is called its abscissa. Means the distance of the point. See, this is y-axis. From this is x-axis. See, the distance of the point P from y-axis is called its abscissa. In the figure, OM is the abscissa. See, OM is the abscissa. The distance from y-axis, from this y-axis to this this distance is x coordinate. See, the distance of the point P from y-axis, P from this y-axis, this gives us axis sum. In the figure, OM is the axis sum. OM or NP is the axis sum. Similarly, ordinate means y-axis. The distance of the point P from x-axis, P from x-axis, this is PM is y-axis is called ordinate. ON is the ordinate of the figure. See, ON or AP. From x-axis to this distance is ordinate. From here to here, this distance is axis of or x-axis. These are the very simple and very basic concepts you need to understand. Now I will discuss quadrant. You are already quadrant. What do you mean by quadrant? The axis divide the plane into 4 parts. Divide the plane into 4 parts. These 4 parts are called quadrants. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. You draw this perpendicular axis. It gives us 4 parts, equal parts. Okay? These are quadrants. So the plane consists of axis and quadrants. See, these are axis and quadrants. This plane consists of axis and quadrants. Axis and quadrants. The plane is called Cartesian plane. Such type of plane is called Cartesian plane. Or the coordinate plane. Why coordinate plane? Because the x and y coordinates are there. Or the xy plane. Why xy plane? Because x and y coordinates are here. These axes are called coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means like x and y. Ax, Ix. See, Ax, Ix. This is singular. Ax, Es. This is plural. Okay. Now here by using this, see, this is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. First, second, third, fourth. So like anti-clockwise. First, second, third, fourth. Here, see, X, O, Y. Sorry, X, O, Y. X, O, Y is the first quadrant. X, O, Y is the first quadrant. Next, Y, O, X dash is the second quadrant. Next, X dash, O, Y dash is the third quadrant. Y dash, O, X is the fourth quadrant. Important is signs here. In first quadrant, both x and y coordinate will be positive because this is positive, this is positive. So plus comma plus. It indicates what? In first quadrant, both x and y coordinate will be positive. In second quadrant, see, x coordinate will be negative and y coordinate will be positive. Come to third quadrant, x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is also negative, negative comma negative. In fourth quadrant, first x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. So one rule is always we have to consider first x coordinate, next y coordinate. Don't consider y coordinate first. X coordinate should be first, next y coordinate. This is a condition. This is a rule. Okay. I hope you understood all these are basics. So after this, by using all these, first exercise is very simple. I'll start. You have to write all these in your classroom. Write down all these in your classroom. Where drop sheet is necessary, I will intimate you formally.